Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a unicorn in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So first is wind and then earth. Once you have dust, you want to add earth again into dust to create planet. Once you have planet, you want to add earth again into so that you would have moon, and then add another earth right here so that you would have eclipse, and then add a moon to create werewolf. Once you have werewolf, you want to go for water and water to create lake. And then after that, you want to go for water again to create ocean. And then once you have ocean, you want to go add water again to create fish. Once you have fish, you want to go for combine it with werewolf to create warfish. And then go for fire and water to create steam. Once you have steam, duplicate it to create cloud. And then once you have cloud, duplicate it to make rain. And then once you have rain, you want to duplicate it again to create rainbow. And then once you have rainbow, combine it with werfish, you'd have mermaid. And then once you have mermaid, add it with rainbow, and then you'd have unicorn. So that is basically it for this video.